Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Aika and thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. Basically, I was away for a couple of weeks now, but now I'm finally back. What happened was, number one, I got married. So yeah, my fiance and we are now officially wed. And a couple of days later, I graduated from university, which is another major thing in my life. So a lot has changed, and I am now officially an adult, a real adult with a family, which is a bit scary, but very, very exciting at the same time. Anyway, I'm back now, and I have an unboxing video for you guys. Basically, I'll be doing 3 unboxings of the things that I really wanted. 2 of them were a gift from my hubby. I can call him that now. Although it's a bit weird still. And another thing that I got for myself because I really loved it. And yeah, that's it. Let's begin. Also, before I start, I quickly wanted to wish you a Merry Christmas. We don't celebrate Christmas, but I know a lot of you guys do, so Merry Christmas. Also, I'm not sure if this video will be up before the New Year's Eve. Hopefully it will. I'll do my best, but today is the 30th of December, so I really have to push myself and work really hard. Now I'm back at home with my family and it feels really nice, and I don't have that much time on filming and editing because we have a lot of things to do before the New Year's, as it's the biggest celebration of the year. It's when your family gathers together. It's basically the same thing as Christmas for you, I guess. Anyway, without any further ado, let's just get right into the unboxing. The very first thing that I want to show you was very unexpected. It is not a Christmas gift or whatsoever, but my husband saw this and he really loved it and he got it for me. I wore it already because, as I mentioned, I was away for about 2 weeks and he gave it to me before we got wed, but it's still very new. And it's this beautiful scarf in green and blue. It looks like this and it is so pretty. I also love the silver details on it, and it looks so festive and looks very nice, you know, especially if you go to a fancy dinner, a nice restaurant. It will look so pretty. I wore it with a sweater and my sweater was like similar green color to the scarf's color, and they looked so nice together. And I'm sure if you just wear it with some black blouse or a shirt, a white shirt, I don't know, whatever you want, actually, it goes well with everything. So yes, I love it very much. Here it is. Yeah, let's move on to the next item now. Also, I almost forgot to mention, he got this in the outlet in Italy, and the price was reduced by 50%, I think. So it was 550 euros at the beginning, and then he got it for 275, which is really great. And also you can get a tax-free of, I think it's like 12%, which is super nice too. That's almost 30 euros back, but it's still pleasant, you know. So the next item is something that I got for myself during the sales back in Geneva. This item was 40% off, so I could not resist buying it, and it was the last piece in the store. So I felt really, really lucky. Anyway, I'll just show it to you. Na-na-na. So it's this black hoodie from Balenciaga. I have this Balenciaga logo on the actual hood right here. I just got it from the dryer, but it was washed in a washing machine. That's another thing I wanted to mention. I was afraid that the letters would start to fade out, but everything is in place and it looks perfect, like new. So I'm very glad that I can wash it in a washing machine and never worry about it. But it's just a simple plain black hoodie. I always wanted one. This one is in size medium, so it's slightly oversized, but I really love it. About this hoodie, I imagine that if I went for a small size, although they didn't have a small size, but anyway, the small would have been a bit too tight on me, but not too tight, but it wouldn't look as cool as this one does. So I'm very glad that they had the right size for me and it looks good. And I just love it so much. So again, this was 40% off and the original price was something like 670 or 80, I'm not even sure, almost 700, and I got it for 430. So I think it was a really good purchase and I'm very happy with it. And the last item that I wanted to share with you today is basically a Christmas / New Year's gift from my husband. I specifically asked for it. I said, give me this and I will not ask for anything else anymore. I'll be super happy. Like, I have everything that I need and even almost everything that I want. So this was like the only item that I really loved and wanted to have. Yeah, this was the only item, and it was also 40% off, which is good for him, and I saved him some money, which is nice. And if you watched my wish list, you'll probably know what it is, because I actually said that this would be the first item that I'll get from my wish list. So guys, are you ready to see it? Ta-da! I got this beautiful Balenciaga logo sweater and it is so perfect. I love it so much. Like, this was on my wish list for about 2 years now. How crazy. And I still wanted it so much, and I feel like I wanted it even more every month. And every day I was like, I want to have the sweater, I want to buy it, I need to buy it. But I couldn't pull the trigger and buy it full price because it is so expensive. It's crazy. And this one actually is from men's collection, so it has the zip in the front, so you can wear it like this, unzip, but then if it's chilly or if you want to look more sleek, then you can definitely zip it up, and then it turns into this turtleneck kind of sweater, which looks really nice. This was in size extra small for men, so it looks pretty good on me. It looks oversized, and I feel like it is even thicker than the women's one. I prefer this one better, but this one was a bit more expensive. So if the women's sweater cost something like 900, this one was 1,200. I don't really think that a zip costs that much, especially since it's like very simple zip. It doesn't have any logo whatsoever. Anyway, this was 1,200, and then with the 40% off, I think we got it for something like 700, maybe 750. I'm not quite sure now. In my opinion, this is such a statement piece in your collection, and I'm super happy that I have it now, and I'm sure I'll get so much use out of it. I already worn it like so many times. It looks really, really good on you. Another thing like I'm thinking of when I lose weight, if I lose weight, obviously I can even wear it as like a mini dress, maybe with some leggings underneath. But for now, I just wear it as a casual sweater with some denim and some black sneakers or boots. And I feel like this is one of the best gifts that I could get for this new year, because it is so gorgeous and this is something I really, really wanted. So I'm so happy my hubby got this for me, even though it was from a men's collection, which he does not understand me like wearing. But this is actually the very first piece that I bought from a men's collection, although I know a lot of YouTubers and a lot of people in general do, especially for like Dior accessories, like the scarves and everything. For men, the price is about 500, and then if you want to buy a scarf for women, it's like almost 2,000, which is insane. But this one is really, really cool. It's something different, and I feel like it's more versatile than the regular women's sweater, because like how I see it is you can wear it like this, open, like with the zip down. But then if you want, you can put like a t-shirt with a different color, or you can even put like a shirt and then have this on top, and that will look really cool. Then if it's like a bit cool, you can pull the zip up and it will cover your neck, and then you can pull it up until the very end, and then you can cover like half of your face with it. It will keep you warm even if it's freezing outside. You don't have to worry about any scarves. And so happy. So guys, this is it for my today's video. It was a very unusual unboxing since I didn't even unbox anything, I just showed it to you. Anyway, I am very excited about all of these items, but I wanted to say that happiness is not about things that you buy, but it's about your family, it's about being healthy, feeling fulfilled. So I wanted to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year once again. And I wanted to wish you and your families to be healthy and to be the happiest in the world, because everyone deserves to be happy. So yes, I wish you all the best, and I hope that 2019 will bring you even more joy and happiness to you, to your families, to your kids, parents, grandparents, aunts, uncles, like everyone, your friends, of course. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!